Hello and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joy Eneghalu and I am a digital media consultant. Today we'll be talking about how to create a free mock-up for your book, even if you have zero skills, design skills, even if you are not a designer. So the tool I'm going to be sharing with you today is very simple and I believe that it's going to help you. But just before we go ahead, I encourage you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the bell so you can receive notifications whenever I post amazing videos like this one. So, the first thing you have to do is design a book cover on Canva, and when you're done, you go ahead and upload it. So here we have a book cover that is already designed and we downloaded it already. So with this book cover, the next thing you have to do is to go to this website called diybookcovers.com/3D mockups. I know that's a handful, so probably you just bookmark it so that you never have to remember it. Okay. So the website again is diybookcovers.com/3D mockups. And this tool is a tool by DIY Book Covers, and that's why it's important to put the 3D mockups so that it can bring you to this particular page, because they have this free online book mockup maker. Now, why I like this tool is that it gives you the single and composite options. So as you can see, the single here just for one option, then the composite gives you multiple options. Say you want to sell a bundle, or you want to sell multiple ebooks. The next thing you have to do is to come to the composite. Right now, the only thing that I know I don't like about it is the fact that it's limited. Okay, so you're left with these options, but it's not that bad considering that it's not just one design you'll be having for all your books. So all you need to do is to design and come here, and then you do what you want to do. Right now, moving on, how do you design using this particular tool? As you can see, they also have a way of telling you what to do. So the first thing you have to do is to go and select a template that you want. So we have different templates here, and say we want to use mini manimal. Select for me. Okay, so guys, let's use this one. Okay, then once you select it, you come here and click on next. The next option will be to click on browse so that you can get the Canva design, remember, that you designed initially. So you come to I'll come here to my folder and search for the design that we had initially. So once we're done, we just click on upload and it starts uploading. You can see 100%. Yes, there you have it. So it gives you this very bold option, bold look of your design. Okay, then you click on next again, and this is where you're done. Okay, so to download it, you can either download for PNG or JPEG. Now the reason is because the PNG, you can see here it says save your 3D image as a JPEG or transparent PNG. So for the PNG, it's a transparent background, and that's why I always advise, so that it can sit on any design you want to do, either on your website, your landing page, on social media, whatever it is that you want to do. The book just sits comfortably without conflicting with anything. Okay, so click on PNG and automatically it starts to download. Okay, yes, so you can see here already, it's already downloading. So let's open it and see what it looks like. Right, yay! So you can see the book and what it looks like. It looks like a real book. So all you have to do is to upload the book cover, and they just align everything for you, and then all you have to do is to download and start marketing your book. And I hope this video has been of immense value to you. I'm going to drop the link of the particular website I mentioned in the description, so that it's easy for you to just click and bookmark on your device. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe turn on the notification button so you can always get amazing videos like this one from me. And I'll see you in the next video.